So what I will only uh, tell you is if you will ask for God, you have to ask it deep in your heart and talk like he is beside you, just like you're talking to your uh, own father, and telling him if you have trouble, or ask him forgiveness and ask him to support you in everything what you need. And I am assure you that if you talk and prayed and ask deep in your heart, he will answer all your prayers, because I have that experience, and I can tell you it's true that he always sometimes takes a month or weeks, but I always get answer back. So just trust him, and don't leave your faith to